There's some frequently asked questions about the California Constitution, Article 3. How many sections does Article 3 have? It contains 9 sections. What does Article 3 relate to? It relates to the state of California. What's the relationship between California and the rest of the country? Section 1 of Article 3 specifies that the state of California is an inseparable part of the United States of America and that the United States Constitution is the supreme law of the land. What is the geographic area of the state? Section 2 states that the boundaries of California are those stated in the state constitution adopted in 1849 and is modified by statute. It also provides that Sacramento is the capital of California. What is the separation of powers? In Section 3, it provides that the powers of state government are legislative, executive, and judicial, and that persons charged with the exercise of one power may not exercise either of the others except as permitted by this Constitution. What's the authority of administrative agencies? Section 3.5 states that an administrative agency, including an administrative agency created by the Constitution or by an initiative statute, has no power to declare a statute unenforceable or to refuse to enforce a statute on the basis that it's unconstitutional unless an appellate court has made a determination that that statute is unconstitutional. They don't have the authority or power to declare a statute as being unconstitutional, and they don't also have the power to declare that a statute is unenforceable on the basis that federal law or federal regulations prohibit the enforcement of that statute. Can state officers' salaries be modified? Section 4 provides that salaries of elected state officers may not be reduced during their term of office. Are lawsuits against the state of California permitted? Section 5 allows suits to be brought against the state in the manner specified by state statutes. Is there any official language in the state? Section 6 provides that English is the common language to the people of the United States of America and the state of California. It provides that English is the official language of this state and requires the legislature to enforce this section by appropriate legislation. How are state officer salary, both salaries and benefits set? In Section 8, it created the California Citizens Compensation Commission, and it must establish the annual salary and the medical, dental, insurance, and other similar benefits of state officers. At or before the end of each fiscal year, the Commission must adjust the annual salary of state officers by a resolution adopted by a majority of the membership of the Commission. And finally, what happens with surplus state property? Section 9 states that the proceeds from the sale of surplus state property are to be deposited into the special fund for economic uncertainties or any successor fund.